Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Ankit Career Academy. The target for this YouTube channel is to solve 8 lakh math problems. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So the question for the day is the derivative of d by dx of e raised to the power x sine x. So the first thing which I'm going to do here is I'm going to use this variable u to take this entire power, that is x sine x, in one single variable. So that means this we have substituted by u. So the original question here, if we take this as y is equal to e raised to the power x sine of x, so this implies that the value of y is equal to e raised to the power u. So now what we need to do is use a concept, that is, if we want to calculate dy by dx, then this can be written as dy by du multiplied by du by dx. So this implies that dy by dx is equal to dy by du. So we need to differentiate this. So if we differentiate this, dy by du comes out to be e raised to the power u. So this would be e raised to the power u multiplied by du by dx. Now the value of u is equal to x sine x. So if we differentiate this du by dx, here we'll be using the product formula. So first function into differentiation of the second function plus second function into differentiation of first function, which is 1. So that means the value of du by dx comes out to be x cos x plus sin x. Now let us substitute both these values in this particular y. So du by dx is equal to x cos x plus sin of x. So that means the value of dy by dx finally comes out to be e raised to the power u, which is x sine x,